Like, how does ChatGPT know what to say?
Have you wondered how AI is so smart? Has ChatGPT given you a weird answer to a question? Well, AI enthusiasts, today we're talking about a fascinating and crucial topic in artificial intelligence: feature importance.
What?
Stick with me, and I promise to break it down in a fun and simple way. Let's jump right in. Feature importance is a critical concept in machine learning that helps in understanding the significance of various input features, or variables, in making predictions or classifying data.
But why do I need to know all this?
Good question. Understanding feature importance is beneficial for several reasons. By knowing which features are most influential in a prediction, we can better understand the underlying mechanisms of the model, which is especially crucial in sensitive domains like healthcare or finance. By identifying and focusing on the most important features, we can often create simpler models that are easier to understand, maintain, and deploy. Understanding which features are less important allows us to potentially remove them from the model, reducing noise and overfitting. Identifying important features can help guide further engineering, allowing us to create new features that might enhance the model's performance.
Like, I still don't quite understand the concept.
No worries, let me make it a little easier to understand. Imagine you're baking a cake. If you've never baked a cake, you know someone who has. Remember those birthday cakes Mom used to bake? You've got flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and salt. Now, which ingredients are the most important? Flour? Sugar? We use this same idea in AI to figure out what's most essential for making predictions. These crucial bits or ingredients are called features, and knowing their importance is our key to unlocking better and more efficient AI models. So why should we care about feature importance? 3 big reasons. 1. Understanding. Just like knowing that too much salt ruins the cake, understanding which features matter helps us grasp how AI makes decisions. 2. Simplification. By focusing on essential ingredients, we can bake faster, tastier cakes, or in AI terms, build models that learn quicker and perform better. 3. Better models. Lastly, knowing the importance of each feature can lead to better AI models, just like knowing the importance of each ingredient can lead to a perfect cake.
Oh, okay, go on.
Now, how do we find out which features are the most important? There are several cool ways. Coefficient values. Think of this as the amount of each ingredient. More flour usually means a thicker cake, right? Similarly, a higher coefficient value means more influence on the result. Permutation importance. Imagine randomly swapping sugar and salt and seeing how it affects the cake. If it tastes awful, sugar must be important. We do the same in AI by shuffling features and observing the changes. Tree-based methods. These are like cooking guides that tell you when to add each ingredient. The more often an ingredient is mentioned, the more crucial it probably is. Just like baking a cake, there are more methods experts use to weigh the importance of features in an AI model. All of them involve tweaking the features to see how it affects the results. It's like reducing or multiplying the ingredients of your cake to see which measurements turn out best. Just like in baking, there are some tips and warnings to heed. Model specific. A chocolate cake and a vanilla cake need different ingredients. Similarly, different AI models may value features differently. Correlated features. If flour and baking powder always go together, it's hard to know which one's more important. Watch out for this in AI, too. Causation versus correlation. Just because lemon flavor is strong in a lemon cake doesn't mean it caused the cake to exist. Be cautious about confusing importance with causation in AI. In other words, when AI comes to a conclusion, it may be weighing the importance of the wrong factor, which will make the answer inaccurate.
So, the smart deep learning guys tell the AI which ingredient or feature is more important when it answers a question.
Exactly. So, next time you're enjoying a piece of cake, think about how AI uses the same principles of balancing ingredients to make intelligent decisions. The weight of the factor helps AI give a more accurate and precise answer. After all, you wouldn't want Google Maps to tell you to drive through a mountain or down a riverbank, would you? Knowing what matters most helps us build better, more insightful, and more efficient large language models. If you've enjoyed this tasty journey through feature importance in AI, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious AI content. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll be sure to respond.